In the next episode, a hidden witness will become the key to the whole storm. Until now, many problems has spoken with confidence, but confidence is not the same as truth. Somewhere from the past, perhaps a person who worked in the house, travel between village, or save more than before than usual, will return with information that can change everything. The person will not come daily easily. Fear has kept them quick for years, and fear still in their voice. Is will be the one who understands this fear best. She will not shout, she will sit with the witness and speak gently. She now when it means to carry a secret until it becomes part of their bone. Adi will find this difficult. He will want the truth quickly, but it will remind him the frightened people do not open their heart under pressure. Alini will listen with sharp attention, notice with small detail other miss. Arak will protecting the meeting from outside, but even he will not know that someone is follow every move. The witness will remain that the plan to separate Isam, Adil and Lini had more layered the everyone now. It was not only jealousy, not only honor, not only family hate, there may even have memory, led power and promise made in the dark. This way even the story and make all enemy look different. Some people who see guilty may have been used, some who acted innocent may have been dragged in the same game from behind. Sira will see that the turn is moving closer and he will becoming more dangerous because of it. He will try to destroy the Beatles' courage before the full confession is here. The next episode will feel like a mystery wrapped into a family drama. Every revealed detail will open another door, and behind one of these doors will be the most that she have been restless for so many years. The witness may leave behind an object, a name or a date that mistake is some face change.